Hey everyone, welcome to Coding Dots again. And in our React Native series, we have already covered two videos, and this is our third video. And in this video, we will learn how to create a new project, and also we will learn how to write our first code for our application. So let's start. So what I will do first, you can simply create a new folder or anything. Like you can give it a name, like I'm giving my first project. Okay, very simple. Okay, so we will open a terminal for this folder. You can, if you are at Windows, like then also you can open the terminal for this. And if you don't know, like you can simply open the folder, and here you will see the path. Click on that and type cmd, and the terminal will be open for you. Okay, so let's come here again. So we are going to create our first project now. Okay, so I know we have already covered that in the previous video as well, where we understood it very deeply. But here we are going to take our shortcut, and we are simply going to create our project. So, okay, so everyone can understand it, like how to create it, even if they are watching it for the first time. Okay, so here what I'm doing, I'm simply typing this. Here I need to give a name, like this is a command, and here I need to give a name. Okay, so I'm giving it my first project. Okay, this will give us an error, but if you are using an older version of the React Native, this will work for you, else it will give you an error. Okay, so for our scenario also we will get an error. If it will ask you for installation of a new version of React Native, let's go with it and let's do it. So if you have not watched our previous video, I have shown very deeply how terminal errors we can face and we can solve it, so you can check that too. And here, like as you can see, init command is deprecated already. So what we have to do, we have to use this command. Okay, so what we will do, we will simply copy paste this. Okay, we will not do anything else, we will simply copy paste it. Now it will ask us for installing this. Okay, okay, we have not given a name here, so now also we can give it here. Okay, so let's give it a name, like my first project. I will go with that only. Okay, now it is creating a template for us. It is downloading a template. Okay, and it will installing the dependencies. So there are some dependencies also, and it will create a package.json for us. Like in the next video we will cover every file, why it is used, why it is there, like that. But in the initial phase, if you will go into that now, you will feel a little nervous about it, like you will not understand each and every part. So let's walk slowly into this path. Okay, so do you want to install CocoaPods now? No, we don't want to do it now. This is for the iOS part, and we will do it later. We'll learn it later. Okay, so it is basically created a project for us, and where we can find it in our this folder. Okay, so what you can do, if you have VS Code already, it's very good. If you don't have, please install it. And if you don't know what extensions you can use, you can still watch our previous video. That is, uh, we have covered everything in very deep. So I'm just putting it here in this. Okay, so it opened my project. And okay, so here is our project, here is our files. And for now we are just opening a new terminal here. Okay, and we just want to run it. So as I said already, I'm using a different version right now. So and also I am having this nvm, so I'm changing my version. Let's see what version I have right now. Okay, it is default to 18. I will be using this like the newest version, because you will be having the newest version right now. I have also covered this part in my video, like in my previous video, like how can you change the versions also, so if you can handle the older projects also and the newer project also. So I'm simply changing it to nvm. Which version we need to use? 24. We need to use 24. Okay. Okay, simply the command is nvm use 24. Okay. Okay, so now we are using this, and now I can simply run this, and this is the command. You can just simply copy paste the command. It is a very simple command, just npx react native and then run android. So I'm pressing enter. uh, okay. Okay, it is simply saying not found. Okay, the request. Okay, react native could not be found. Do you have permission to access it? Okay, let's see what we don't have. Let's do simply npm start. Okay, it is working for us. Then please run this also for us. Okay, maybe I wrote any what I wrote previously. It was same maybe. Okay, leave that, and let's come to this part, like where we are running the project. So this is the right command. You can just simply copy paste it. And okay, so this is the terminal, like where our node server will run. So like when we are running the project from the react native, from here we need the server to see the commands, to see the logs, and to understand the project, and for running the project also we need a server. Okay, so here as you can see we got another error. Okay, so errors are good for us. It's not a bad thing. Okay, okay, I got it. Like the server is running on a different node version for me, so I'm just changing it again. And we use 24 we were using, right? And now see, you can also like if you don't want your server to run here, you can also run it here. Like me, I'm simply doing npm start. So like this also we can start the server. And this is the beauty of the errors, right? Because if I'm getting any error in front of you, I'm solving it in front of you, and that's where you will learn it very much, like how to solve the particular error and how to face an error. Okay, so it is a good part. Okay, do not skip this part. Okay, so let's now our server is running, so I'm simply opening the project again. Now I don't need to run it again. I can simply open it because my server is running and my project is installed already. So as you can see, I got some code here. It is already written over there. So let's see why it is there. Okay, so what actually happens, we are not going to index.js right now. What is that? We will come to it in next video, or in the future video. But firstly we are coming here app.tsx. So this code you are seeing here is coming from here. Okay, so this is our app content. Okay, let's see. So you can see there are some written code, and let's not dig into it and simply remove it all. Okay, and as I have already make you install this extension, if you don't have, I want to show it to you again, because you should have it. Okay, so this is called React Native Snippet. This is from Santosh Anand. Okay, so you can simply type R and F and C, and it will give you this whole structure of the code. Okay, so it's a good part. And now I can give it a name, so I'm giving it app. Okay, because we are just replacing the code right now. So this is our very basic structure what we will be using in every screen. Now if I will see this now, you can see the code is changed. Okay, better I will put it like this. Okay, okay guys, so now you can see more better. Okay, so here as you can see there is something is written over there, and also something is written over here. So if I will change it now, if I will change it to my name Karthik, or I will change it to coding dots, will not use this here. Okay, you can see here it has changed. Okay, so basically what is happening, let's understand like a little bit, because we are starting it. So we have some libraries here. So what these libraries are doing, these are helping us to create a view. What is actually a view? View is the entire screen that you are seeing right now. Okay, so what we can do with the view, we can give it an style. Okay, so with the view, see here we are passing a style, and inside style we are using this styles object. Okay, so we are creating it from the style sheet, and this is like basic thing, like we can pass multiple styles here, and we will learn it. But just do not take any kind of stress right now. I know it will be a little difficult for you to understand when, if you are not from any development background. But if you are from HTML or like CSS, you know already like how to do it, so it will be easier for you. Okay, let's come here again. So as you can see, this is a text. It says itself that I'm a text, and you can see here. So let's ask yourself why the text is here in the middle of the screen. Okay, so if you will see the style of the view. Okay, so what style it is using, it is using the container style. Okay, okay, from this variable styles it is using the container. Okay, and inside container you can see flex. What is flex 1? Flex 1 meaning is that you are covering all the screen. Okay, all this screen is yours, like you have height 100% and the width is 100%. That is equivalent to flex 1 for the container part. Okay, and we have said it that justify contents should be center. What if I will remove it? Let's see. Okay, it came to the top. Okay, and align item is center. Okay, what if I will remove it? It will come to here at the top left corner. Okay, so basically you will get it here, and you can see the background color as well. What if I will remove this? We are getting a white background. Great, right? So what actually happened, we understood the part why it was on the middle, because we have given it any style that it should be like justify content, it is center. And if I will save it now, you can save it with Control S. For the Mac users, you can save it with Command S. It will come to the center of the screen, right? And if I will do align items center, so whatever in this view will come to the center. Okay, now even if I will copy this and I will add now multiple text also, they all will come into the center only. If you will right click here now, you will get this format option. You can format it. Okay, just use prettier. Okay, okay, so as you can see, from the React Native, what we are importing here, we are importing view, we are importing a text, and for the style part we are using the style sheet. Okay, so this is very basic code what you can do with text. Let's see, because we are just learning very basic. So let's learn how to give it a style. So what if I want to change the color of this text? This is very easy, like you can simply give color here by typing color, right? And what color you want to give? If I want to give it a red color, it will be red color. Okay, if I want to give it a like a hash color, like I can use any with the hash one, like this. Okay, so you can change it. Okay, if I want to change the size, what will be the command? The size, no, but the font size, you will get the sessions also. Okay, if you want to change anything, you can simply try it also for the initial time. Later on you will be very habitual to this. Okay, so right now I'm just giving it a font size of 20, so you can see. Okay, and you can also give font weight. So font weight is like if you want it bold or how so you can see it here. If I will give it 800, it will be a bold. If I will give it like 400, it will not be a bold. Okay, you can give 600 also, like we mostly use. Okay, so as you can see, we have already covered like styling part and the text part. So this is very basic, and this is very good to start a project where we are learning from very basics and we are going to very advanced in future. So I really want to work with everyone, to run with everyone, and to win with everyone. So that's why we are starting very slowly, and I know we are going to be very faster than this. uh, and we are going to like create a great project also in future. But for now we are taking our steps one after one. So let's take little step and then we will run for sure. So this is it for this video, where you have learned how to create a project and how to make a style, and how to change the text color and the font size and font weight. Also you can like try multiple things with it, and we will when we will like do it, you will learn it all. So just have patience and do subscribe us, because this series is going to be very very depth, well, where you are going to learn from very basics to very advanced for sure. So I know I'm taking your time more than usual, but this is how you are going to be the perfect developer for React Native part. Okay, so stay tuned, do subscribe, do like, and do share. Thank you.